I am Dr. N.K. Dhapekar, working as head of the Department of Civil Engineering in Kalinga University, Naya Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Department of Civil Engineering has launched 45 days internship program for civil engineering students. Students from diploma, BTech, MTech can opt for this program. In this program, we are going to cover all sort of advanced practicals, and our 45 days internship program comprises of 5 modules. MTech students from all disciplines such as geotechnical engineering, highway engineering, structural engineering, environmental engineering, project planning and management, they can also opt for this program. Module 1 comprises of advanced practicals related to civil engineering, related to geotechnical engineering laboratories, related to concrete technology laboratories, and even total station we are covering in module 1. In module 2, various sorts of audits, especially energy audit and other types of audits which are applicable in various types of industries will also be delivered, and students will definitely get benefit from such types of audits. Their employability will be enhanced, and in third module we are going to impart training on various softwares such as ANSYS, SolidWorks and MATLAB. These softwares have huge penetration in industries, and students will definitely get benefit out of these softwares. Last module is based upon the central instrumentation facility which we have at our Kalinga University campus. In this, we are going to impart hands-on training to our interns on X-ray diffractometer, scanning electron microscope, high performance liquid chromatography. All these 4 modules will be covered in 45 days. Diploma students, UG students, PG students can opt for this internship program. Apart from this, working professionals also can register for this program. Definitely their knowledge, their skill set will be enhanced. This 45 days internship program will be helpful to develop entrepreneurship, and they will be able to act as a material engineer. They can issue structural stability certificates, and they can grab good jobs in QA/QC related fields. So it's my urge to all civil engineering fraternity from India and abroad to opt for this 45 days internship program and take benefit of it. Thank you.